Welcome back to the chapter quadratic equations for standard 10. So in this we are going to use the formula for solving the quadratic equation. So in earlier parts we were solving the equation using factorization method. Then we also did the completing of squares. Now we are going to use a formula and do it. This formula is called Sridharacharya's rule. So the equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, because if a is equal to 0, then it will become a linear equation bx plus c equal to 0. That's why it's given as a not equal to 0. Then the value of x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. That is, the first root will be minus b plus root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. The other root will be minus b minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So you will get the same answer when you do the factorization method or this using this formula method. Now b squared minus 4ac is known as a discriminant and is denoted by d. So d equal to b squared minus 4ac. Now without doing the solving the equation itself, just seeing the doing b squared minus 4ac, we can find the nature of the roots. That is, the roots can be either real. We know that it is a quadratic equation, so the maximum number of roots will be 2. So it can be, the two roots can be real and distinct roots. Distinct means it is two different values. Or it can be real and equal roots, because it will be the same value. And the third option is there are no real roots. So here if d is greater than 0, that is d is positive, that is b squared minus 4ac is positive, then we can say it is real and distinct roots. If d equal to 0, then real and equal roots, and d is less than 0, it is no real roots. D less than 0 means this root of b squared minus 4ac, b squared minus 4ac is negative. So root of negative, it is a complex number, so hence you will not have any real roots. So we will do some problems related to this. Solve this equation. Now we can use the formula and solve. So we have to take the LCM first. So it becomes x plus 2 into x plus 4. So this will be x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 10 by 3. Now this will become x squared minus 4x minus 5x. So x squared minus 5x plus 4 plus x squared plus 2x minus 3x will become minus x minus 6 by, this will be x squared plus 4 plus 2 6x plus 8 equal to 10 by 3. 2x squared minus 6x minus 2 into 3 cross multiply is equal to 10 into x squared plus 6x plus 8. So this becomes 6x squared minus 18x minus 6 is equal to 10x squared plus 60x plus 80. Now bringing to one side, 4x squared. Now this will come here, so minus 78x, then this also will become minus, so that is minus 86 is equal to 0. So we will convert all the negatives to, will divide throughout by minus 2, so it becomes 2x squared minus 39x minus 18x. So this is x minus 4. So here the answer will become my x squared minus 4x plus 2x. So this will become minus 2x minus 8, and this will become minus 8. So 10 into x squared minus 2x and minus 8. So 10x squared minus 20x minus 80. So this will become minus 4x squared. This will become 2x plus 2x. Then this will become plus minus 80 will become plus 80 plus 74 x squared minus 2x minus 8. So 10 into x squared minus 8, 10x squared minus 20 minus 80. So we get minus 4x squared. Then this is minus 18 plus 74 equal to 0. So minus 2x squared plus x plus 37 equal to 0. So this becomes x squared, 2x squared minus x minus 37 equal to 0. Now using the formula x is equal to minus b. So this will become plus 1, minus and minus 1. Plus or minus root of b squared is minus 1 the whole squared minus 4 into 2 into minus 37 by 2a. 2 into 2. So this is equal to 1 plus or minus, this is 1 root of 1 plus minus and minus plus 37 to 8, it becomes 296 by 4. So the values of x are 1 plus root 297 by 4 and 1 minus 297 by 4. Now here coefficient of x squared is p squared, coefficient of x is this, and this is the constant. Now using the formula x is equal to minus b. So minus b will be minus of p squared minus q squared minus b plus or minus root of b squared is again p squared minus q squared the whole squared minus 4 into a is p squared into minus q squared by 2a. 2a is 2p squared. So this is equal to q squared minus p squared. I take the negative inside plus or minus. This will be plus 4pq squared. So this will expand this p to the power of 4 minus 2p squared q squared plus q to the power of 4. This will become plus 4p squared q squared by 2p squared. Now here minus 2p squared plus 4p squared q squared will become plus 2p squared q squared. Then this will be of the format a squared plus 2ab plus b squared format, which can be written as q squared minus p squared plus or minus root of p squared plus q squared the whole squared by 2p squared. So this is equal to q squared minus p squared plus or minus p squared plus q squared by 2p squared. So therefore x is equal to, now we have to take, so x is equal to q squared minus p squared plus q squared by 2p squared, that is equal to 2q squared by 2p squared. So that is equal to q squared by p squared. This is one root. The other root will be q squared minus p squared minus p squared minus q squared minus p squared minus q squared by 2p squared. Q and q will get cancelled. So this will become minus 2p squared by 2p squared, that is equal to minus 2p squared by 2p squared equal to minus 1. So the two roots are, so x is equal to q squared by p squared and the other root is minus 1.